This video provides an overview of how to look up and schedule courses at Penn State. We will use two websites, the Schedule of Courses and eLion. First, enter the Schedule of Courses address into your navigation bar, schedule.psu.edu. Begin by making sure that you have chosen the correct semester, then set the campus to University Park. Also be sure the location is set to University Park. Under Course Search Criteria, you can use the Course Subject drop-down box to search for courses in that subject. If you are looking for a specific course, you can also choose the course number in the second drop-down box. As an example, if you are looking for a psychology course, choose Psych. You can see that in the course number drop-down box, you have the option to search for courses in a level range or a specific course number. For this example, we will choose Psych 100. Now click the Search Courses button. You will see the results for Psych 100. First, we'll find a brief description of the course. Next, if the course has any prerequisites, which means a course that is required before this one, we will see that noted. In the case of Psych 100, there are no prerequisites. Within the table for Psych 100, we see several important details: the 6-digit schedule number, the section number, seats remaining, which can be refreshed by clicking the green button, days and times the course meets, the classroom, instructor, and controls. If a course has controls, that means it is reserved for certain groups of students. Be sure to click Controls to determine if you're eligible to schedule the course. When you identify a course you're interested in adding to your schedule, write it in for the appropriate days and times on your worksheet, and note on your worksheet the 6-digit schedule number and section number. Please note that R represents Thursday in the days of the week. To return to the main search page, click on New Search at the top of this page. Another method of looking for courses is using the additional search criteria. This method will allow you to refine your search, which is particularly helpful for general education categories like arts, humanities, and social behavioral sciences. Begin by making sure you have the correct semester, campus, and location set. A very helpful option is to limit the results to only those courses that have available seats. You can do this by checking the box next to Display Open Sections Only, directly beneath the Course Subject drop-down box. Now you can click on the additional search criteria and you should see a large area open below. If you are looking to fulfill a specific area in general education, you can check the box next to the area you would like to search for. This will limit your search results to only those courses that meet this general education requirement. If your results include several pages, you may want to view all pages at once. Once you have pieced together a worksheet with 5 to 7 courses, you are ready to log on to eLion to add the courses to your schedule. Open a new tab and enter the eLion address in the navigation bar, elion.psu.edu. Click on Students and enter your user ID and password. In this demonstration, the menu items are on the left-hand side of eLion. In the current eLion system, the menu items will be along the top. Open the Schedule drop-down box and select Registration. Choose the correct semester, then click Continue. You'll enter your password and click OK. Next, type the 6-digit schedule numbers from your worksheet, hitting Tab to move through the slots. Then click Continue. You may be asked if you'll be scheduling 12 or more credits. For summer, choose the first option. For fall, choose the second option indicating full-time status. Then click Continue. At the top of the window, you will see a confirmation message if you have successfully scheduled a course. If you get an error message, it could mean that the class is either controlled or full. If it's full, there will be additional information about alternate sections for that course. If you are interested in deleting one of the courses you registered for, click the radio button next to that course and click Drop Selected Course. Each time you make an adjustment to your registration, you'll get a confirmation message. Before you leave the computer lab, we will print a copy of your schedule. In the Schedule menu, click Student Schedule. Select the semester and click Submit. Change to Weekly View to get your schedule across the days of the week and click Print. This concludes the demonstration of how to look up courses on the schedule of courses and to schedule on eLion.